Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now we're taking a look at our Mimosa strigilosa, also known as sunshine mimosa. If you look here, you can see that this lasted through the winter and is throwing new leaves out in May. This is the last day in May 2022. It's May 31st. And I took some of these from another location nearby, some of these shoots, and I buried them in a wet location in my yard. And let me show you what they're doing now. Okay, I'm out here by the road, my front yard, and I had stuck some of this stuff in the ground. I thought it died completely, but apparently it didn't, because there it is, right there. A bunch of sunshine mimosa. It's also over here, so it spread out without me even realizing it was doing anything. I just think that's a pretty cool situation. Now, the reason this stuff is significant is because it fixes nitrogen into the soil wherever it's located. That's why I've been trying to get it to proliferate throughout my yard. But now that I know that it does well in this area, which is basically near the water ditch, the drainage ditch, I'm going to probably try to fix a bunch more here this year. Okay, I just walked down to one of my neighbor's drainage areas, and this is how I got the idea to begin with. But here's the signature flower to the sunshine mimosa. It's this pink fuzzy ball looking thing. I mean, you can't miss it. So that's how you know how to identify the sunshine mimosa, and there's a whole bunch of it throughout this area. Anyhow, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit. And stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of our sunshine mimosa. Have a good day.